Hello, second graders. Today is Thursday, April 16th, 2020. We are giving you guys a little bit more work today for today and Friday, and then I guess throughout the weekend if you need part of the weekend as well. This particular lesson today is going to have you doing 3 steps. The first step is going to be complete your Core 4 and pick your topic sentence and conclusion sentence. The second step is going to be to talk it out. And the third step is going to be your rough draft. You guys are using this slideshow to help guide you through the writing process. You watched a video of the book called The Day the Crayons Quit. Now, you did not need to pick a color that was specifically from that book. Reading that story was to give you ideas of what kind of colors are out there and what are some reasons why it might be a great color. But you can pick any color that you like because this is your opinion, what you think and feel. So you're picking your favorite color and providing us with reasons of why that's the best color. There was a video on how to start your opinion writing by brainstorming and doing your T-chart. And then we talked a little bit more about an opinion. You need 3 big ideas, 2 key details for each big idea, and then a topic and conclusion sentence. Here was an example of my brainstorming, and I chose the color green. And then I walked you guys through the T-chart, and this was my T-chart. These are my 3 reasons why green is the best color. And then here's a little bit extra detail about each of these reasons. I also included my transition words. Notice that the thing I need to finish today is my topic and my conclusion. So we're going to start that by looking at our Core 4. This is an example of a Core 4 and why we use it and how to use it. This right here is the one that I will be using today, and I added some important parts to it, such as a list of transition words, number words for your number statement, and then a piece of advice right here to remember that the quality question can only be used as a topic sentence. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to do a simple declarative sentence. Simple declarative sentences are simple, get straight to the point. Remember, my opinion was that green is the best color. So I'm just going to say, in my opinion, green is the best color. And that's it. That's all I have to do for that one. Over here in my number statement, I'm going to take that same sentence I just used, but now I'm going to add one of these number words to it and then say for blank reasons. So I'm going to say, in my opinion, green is the best color for, and then I'm going to pick one of these words, blank reasons. I'm going to pick numerous, for numerous reasons, period. Last one is quality question. I remember it cannot be answered using yes or no. So if I said, is green the best color? That would not be a good quality question because I can answer that with a yes or a no. So I might want to say something like, what are some reasons why green is the best color? And I'm done with my Core 4. Now I have 3 sentences, but I'm only going to pick 2 of them. One of them is going to be for the beginning of my T-chart, my topic sentence. It's how I'm starting my writing out. And the other one is for my conclusion, and it's how I'm ending my writing. So I'm going to choose, what are some reasons green is the best color? And I'm going to add that here to my T-chart. Now notice everything is highlighted just like we would highlight it at school. So remember, you can do that with crayons or colored pencils. So I used my quality question as a topic sentence. That means I can use either one of these now as a conclusion. I like this one because I think it adds a little bit more detail. So I'm going to choose my number statement and add that to my conclusion down here at the bottom of my T-chart. In my opinion, green is the best color for numerous reasons. So my T-chart's now complete. Now what I'm going to do is talk it out. Now just as a reminder, there's a slide right here that explains talking it out. And I said that you guys could use this slide by pointing to each correct color as you're saying that color-coded sentence. Now remember, on our T-chart, it's like a grocery list. When I'm talking this out, I really need to stretch these out into complete sentences. So when you're finished with your T-chart in your Core 4, you'll go down to this slide right here, and you'll look for the video of me talking it out.